Yun no, ito po ang bago naming tuklas na masarap na samgyupsal. Ang Dear Samgyup 199. Located po sa Kawit, Cavite, katabi po ng Kartini. Ayan naman po ang mapagpipili ang side dish: cucumber salad, bean sprout, sweet banana, potato marbles, fish cake, and japchae, bulgogi, sweet barbecue, plain, chili, and garlic soy. Ayan naman po ang mga mapagpipili ang flavor ng meat nila. Ayan naman po ang mga drinks nila, katulad ng iced tea, Four Seasons, calamansi, and red iced tea. Meron rin silang tubig at tube ice. Tomorrow, the day your diet starts. Nice to meet you. Lettuce with tong. Masarap na dip yan. Cheese. Another dip and kimchi. You know, only cheese and only drinks. Mag-a-add lang po kayo. Reminder, no leftover to avoid charges. You know, magsisimula na. Only rice rin. Power of meat. Dosing tray po yan. Panimula. You know? Si Madam L. Picture with the barkads. Salamat.